Okay, so this is my first and probably only unboxing video. Um, this box is from Macomber Looms, which is upside down, and I don't know technically what's in the box. It does list what's in the box on here, but what's kind of exciting about it is I am purchasing a new to me Macomber loom. And my friend Anne, who I'm buying it from, when she purchased the loom, she got all the bells and whistles to go with it and ended up not using it in her home studio. So, this box she ordered from Macomber like in 2022, or no, 2002 maybe? And it's apparently all the reeds and extras you could possibly need to go along with this 16 harness that I'm figuring out next how to move it from Ann Arbor to my studio in Lansing. But in the meantime, I grabbed a bunch of the parts when we met last. And this is just really exciting. This box is like 40 pounds. I've been weaving on a 6 harness Macomber for a number of years. And I've had pretty limited amounts of reeds and kind of made do with what I had. So having a loom with everything that I could possibly need that's 16 harnesses with 16 harnesses is just, it's really exciting. And like even I've just been weaving sitting on a basic stool, and she has the bench and everything with it, and we brought the bench home, and my husband goes, "Oh, they come with a bench?" Because I just, like I said, I just have been making do with what I got. So ooh. This is how this was shipped to Anne from Macomber. This is probably only exciting for weavers, but oh, I've met them at MLH, the Gowdy Reed Company. I don't know if they're still around or not. I know that when not MLH, HGA, when I talked to them at HGA, one of my early HGA conferences, they could make a lot of different dent reeds, so it even says Macomber on here. So here's a 15 dent. I don't know if I've ever seen a brand new reed before. Looms get passed down and all their parts are usually well used, so outside of a shop I haven't really had a brand new reed. Here's a 12 dent, and then I usually use about a 12 dent reed. Here's a wide one. This one's a 5. Wow, that's for chunky warp. This one's a 6. A 10. And an 8. So 12 is the smallest, which is probably what I'll continue using. I think that's it in here. So, yay! A whole bunch of fresh reeds. And that's how it comes. Ooh, this looks like something. something about, you know, temporary Heddles or something. Ooh, yeah, these are cool. I remember Anne mentioning these. So these are, there's a receipt. Heddles. I love that how it comes with all these looks like old hand typed instructions. I scan all of this into, but these Heddles, you can hook on after the fact. They have a split in them. You can see that, and you can hook them in if you've miswarped something. So instead of having to make your own yarn Heddle, tie it up in there. These are really cool. So I've never even used one of these before, but yeah. So that's my first and probably only unboxing video because I just didn't know what was totally in the box. Really exciting.